everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today my hair is very crazy and out of control. I have some really thick eyebrows on because we are going to be doing another Disney princess inspired look, and that is going to be Moana. So I am going to wave my hair so that it is wavy like hers. I wish I had her hair texture. My life would be so much easier. But I did do my brows already. They're very fluffy, kind of untamed, but very full and thick. So let's get started with this makeup look. So I'm going to prime my eyes first. The same primer I use all the time, just the white NYX one. This look is going to be somewhere in between the other two I've done. So I've done Belle and I've done Elsa. So this one is going to be glam, but using kind of like earthy neutral tones that you kind of see in her outfit in the movie. She wears like khaki and oranges and coppers and a little bit of red and bright orange. So that's kind of the colors we're gonna go with today, and you will also see in my outfit when I change it. The palettes I'm gonna use today are the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Division and Reloaded Passion for color palettes. They each have some really pretty oranges and coppers and kind of goldy colors. So we're gonna go into this one first, and we're gonna go into this dark color. Actually, scratch out. We're gonna go into this lighter orange first and use it as our transition color. So I'm just taking a big fluffy brush, and we're gonna put this all over the crease area. I've been really into these kind of like coppery orange camel colors lately. I don't know why. I've really been feeling neutral makeup actually lately, which is definitely a change of pace for me. Usually I am a big colorful makeup person, even just going out and doing things. I like wearing a colorful look, especially right now with wearing my mask. I can wear like something really colorful and you know, it pops because the mask covers the rest of my face. We're going to take that more dark coppery color that I showed you guys, and we're going to put this in the crease. This looks like it's going to be a really kind of intense color, so I'm going to pack it in rather than swirl it on, just so it doesn't get too crazy. Yeah, this is pretty pigmented. So I'm just gonna focus this on the outer half of my crease. And then we're just gonna blend it with that brush we used before. Going into the Division palette, I'm going to take this light kind of taupe color and pack this on the inner half of my lid. Oh yeah, this is like the perfect kind of khaki color that her skirt is. Just like a really nice light tan. I'm gonna go into this kind of peachy color, and we're gonna tap this on the outer half of the lid. Fluffy brush, I'm just gonna take that kind of khaki color, just a very tiny bit, and put it right underneath my brow bone just to help blend some of those harsh edges out. Since this is also matte, I'm going to go into my Mar palette from ColourPop and go into the color Sorbet and just pop a little bit of that on the inner corner. Now I'm going to take a brown eyeliner pencil. I know I've been using brown a lot, but with some of these looks, I think it's just the black is too strong. So I am going to use this brown, and we're going to line our lids. This one takes a little bit to build up, so I might even put some brown shadow over top. But once you get it nice and warm from the friction, it's a really pretty deep brown. Now I am going to curl my eyelashes because I'm not putting any fake lashes on. I'm just going to do mascara since we're not doing a real heavy liner. We're not doing a super dark heavy shadow. Just going to do some mascara. I have my foundation done. I used the Cicapair treatment. I really like this for under my eyes in lieu of concealer. It makes everything look really luminous and bright. You guys can see it's nice and dewy. And then it also covers up red spots. So I put it here on my chin and a little bit here and a little bit on my nose because my nose was a bit red. So now we are going to a bronze. This is going to be a bronzy look, which you probably could have figured since it is Moana. I want to be bronzy and look like I've been in the sun. So I am going to contour a little bit with my angle brush. but I'm not really too worried about looking really snatched because Moana has a round face like me. Then we're gonna go around the forehead here. I hit my nose a little bit. My chin. I'm gonna mix all the colors together and kind of just go over the forehead and down. And just kind of do an all over blend. I'm going to use Yummy Cookies from ColourPop. This is a really shimmery kind of, I don't know, it's kind of tan. It's like a tan pink. We're going to put that on our cheeks, nice and glowy. I want the skin to look flawless but still have a lot of dewiness to it, and this is a matte foundation, so I want to bring back some of what I lost when I put it on. Put a little bit of this on the nose too, since it's almost like a highlight and a blush. And then just to neutralize it a little bit, we'll just pop a little bit of the Beauty Blender over top just to make sure it's nice and blended. Now I'm going to highlight. I'm just going to use this little flat brush I have here and highlight with this ColourPop blush. It's just called Candy Cloud. It's really pink and kind of silver, I would say, is the other reflect in it. Now that I have my hair completely crimped and waved and it looks like it has a little bit more of a natural curly texture, I'm going to finish off this look with a little bit of Butter Gloss from NYX in Glazy Days. This is like one of my favorite nude glosses. Has the perfect amount of pigment. Okay, and this is the end of my Moana look. Obviously this is not the outfit that goes with my Moana look, but if you want to see my outfit that goes with this, make sure you stick around on my channel till the end of the month, where I will have a complete lookbook for all of the Disney princess looks I have done this month. If you guys want to see that, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, share, and comment down below who your favorite princess is, and I will see you guys in the next one.